Hey you guys, hope you're all doing good in YouTube world. One of my favorite camping spots. Woohoo! Got the electric bike. Let's go check out some beautiful trails. So yeah, we're just going along the highway here. We'll get into this trail a little bit. It's absolutely breathtaking scenery over here. So we're back at one of our favorite campgrounds. It's a good thing we decided to come too, because it's the last weekend for this campground and we didn't even know that. We've had a good bit of rain too, so everything is just beautiful. Whoa. Let me know how many of you guys got the e-bikes and like to get out too. Definitely greener than when I was here last. I'll be curious how the camera works in here. It's pretty forested, a lot of thick trees. It'll be pretty dark on the camera, I imagine. I'll show you guys some of these sights. Let's take a walk in here. Whoa. Wow, the river must flow really hard through here at times. Oh, there's a bridge right there too. I haven't been down to this particular spot. We'll go upriver here. Show you guys just where the sun is around the corner. Pretty unbelievable. This is one of the most clearest rivers I've seen in a while. Like, it's crystal clear. Wow. But you can see the other chute here where the water, when it gets raging in the spring, it must come all through here. We're at the end of summer here now, pretty much. We're going into fall. Wow. Pretty nice area I live in, pretty lucky. Pretty beautiful down in there. It's pretty beautiful everywhere here, to be honest. Wow, a lot of moss. You guys like that green moss? Is cool, hey? See all that? I'm not sure, I might have to turn around and film coming backwards too. I know it's not very good filming into the sun like that. Look at this little spot. Nothing wrong with that. I've never been on this one. Oh, technical, hard enduro. Oh, very technical. Oh yeah. I have to boost up the power. Oh, there's an old urch. Looks like an old stove top. See that on the ground? Whoa, definitely a little more technical. This is more of a hiking trail than a biking trail. I would say. I was trying to do sections like this without putting my foot down if I can. Good for your skills. Oh wow, it's beautiful in here. Look at this. Cool. Whew. I always like to challenge myself no matter what I'm on, bicycle, motorbike, whatever. It's always going to benefit your skills down the road. And what I mean is you can give yourself little tests. You can like just, you know, pick a section and say, okay, I'm not going to put my foot down here. I'm going to try anyways. Like right here is pretty tight. Whoa. Ooh, just about hit the motor. That was tight. No shortage of green around here, that's for sure. Very cool. Look at this, you guys. Hey, isn't that unreal? Wow. Whew. Oh boy. This looks a little technical for old Heddletown. Oh. No foot down yet, no foot down yet. That's where the throttle's nice, if you gotta just have balance. You don't want to hit a pedal on the rocks. Oh boy. This looks a little more tricky, I think. My friends that have the high-end e-bikes, like this one's DIY, I made myself. So my friend's like, why do you need a throttle? You don't really need a throttle. Well, yeah, you do. It sure helps. Whew, this is a bit of a workout, actually. Uh-oh. Oh, that was definitely a little technical. Holy moly's. No foot down through all that. 0 penalties. Oh, and this is the end, I think. Yeah, there's the... Well, you guys, I hope you enjoy those videos. It's always fun getting out on the electric bike. You get to go places you don't get to go on the dirt bike, that's why. Well, this is very cool, you guys. Found a pretty long old abandoned road, and if you can believe it, it's really nice pavement underneath there, and probably 6 inches of moss. Let's go for a little ride. It's crazy. I've never seen anything like it. Like that much moss anyway. That's pretty wild. I'm just handheld here, so I got to get over this log. I'll put you guys down here for a sec. Whoa! Isn't that crazy? Really nice pavement underneath too, like smooth. Someone's been trying to clear it off there. It's wild. More trees down. Huh. Very neat. Oh, there's trails in every direction. Oh, no, there's not. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Oh, old guy might need some power. Wow. Oh, look at that little hit. Beauty. Nothing wrong with these trails, as they say. Trail washed out. Ah, challenge. Can't get enough of the rivers. How do you guys feel about rivers? Nothing wrong with that. So we've been into some cooler, wetter weather here in Canada, but believe it or not, it's supposed to get pretty warm today. High 20s, maybe 30, so I might be able to splash around in that water a little later if it's warm enough. Oh, trail washed out. So you guys be careful on stuff like this. I shouldn't even be doing this alone, but you don't want to snag a motor or a pedal or you're going down there. Oh boy, I see more obstacles. So approach from the side, use the throttle. Hi-ya! Whoa, I come right off my bike. Don't use that much power, you guys. What are you thinking? That was good, though. Oh, wow. It's annoying. It's definitely a little tight. My brake's loose. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a parking lot anyways. There's that one. Let's try this again. I'm good on dirt bikes at this. Put your foot on the log, clutch, bit of throttle. Yeah, just like that. I can do quite high logs. Okay, enough of shenanigans.